Cars here. We're at the Larry H. Miller Subaru Boise car meet. Hopefully more people come, not too many people here yet.
Savage.
Yeah.
That's what it's doing.
Yeah. Ooh. Where's Mark's at?
Smile on my face when the sun shows up. Smile on my face when the moon goes up. Smile on my face when the sun shows up. Smile on my face when the moon goes up.
Yeah, running shit till my legs quit. Running shit till my heart stops. I ain't playing no kids, Bob. Cook you up and leave you on the tabletop. Put you under that silver platter. I'ma put it into that cheddar cheddar. Rest of y'all, yeah, better scattered. You hear the DNA pitter patter. Everything's lining up like OCD. Every claim they formulate, nah, that ain't me. Y'all ever woken up poet, the poet has spoken, but this ain't a poem, no, this is an omen. I'm saying so focused, forever devoted to crushing opponents. Ain't nothing but rodents, and I am a poet. Y'all haven't noticed I'm bleeding like Moses. Y'all are the lowest, that is my moment. Flooded with hate, but I'm flowing like Noah. Yeah,
Flow so clean, it's nothing to me, and you get
nothing but smiles.
hate to me, it's self-esteem, and you get
Nothing but smiles. No.
Don't come in the game, running the same. I carried the torch, ignited the flame, and handed it down like a relay race. And he's only 17. Wait.
Nothing but smiles.
Smile on my face when the sun shows up. Smile on my face when the moon goes up. Smile on my face when the sun shows up. Smile on my face when the moon goes up.
Y'all rap with no soul, way too much control. Look around for a loophole, but there's only one way to go. Ahead, I guess it's two if you turn around. You can back down and go homebound if you can't handle this battleground. Catch a ride on a Greyhound, saying it's a hard knock life. In the end, we all got a knife, we all got a chance to fucking fight. I'ma fight till I ain't seeing light, no round running that Grim Reaper. I'ma run up on him with a bucket heater, say nice to meet you. I'm an eager to leave your ass in a bucket.
Flow so clean, it's nothing to me.
Look at my car, dude. Clean as hell.
Hate to me, it's self-esteem, and you get
Nothing but smiles. No.
Don't come in the game, running the same. I carried the torch, ignited the flame, and handed it down like a relay race. And he's only 17. Wait.
Smile on my face when the sun shows up. Smile on my
That's what you want when you feeling right. Riding through your town through the late night. Head on the wheel, just cruising. All your windows down, just cruising. It's that shit you want when you feeling right. Rolling through your town through the late night. Head on the wheel, just cruising. All your windows down, just cruising.
The sun came down and the moon came out. Now we about to light up every shadow in our town. We just cruising down the highway. Got my hand on the wheel, I'm whipping my way. I don't give a fuck if they tryna throw shade. I'ma vaporize the haters, make them all fade away. It's my time, I'ma shine. Put these rappers on my plate, then I'ma dine. Small town kid with a big ass dream. Visions in my head, got me burning gasoline. Pulling up through the pump, off the gas cap quick. Cause I can't waste time on this long road trip. Rolling so low, never couple with the fake. Hit the wipers quick in my windshield haze. I've been laying on the pedal, I ain't talking about the brake. Let the shit bang, let the hook cut it straight.
It's that shit you want when you feeling right. Riding through your town through the late night. Head on the wheel, just cruising. All your windows down, just cruising. It's that shit you want when you feeling right. Rolling through your town through the late night. Head on the wheel, just cruising. All your windows down, just cruising.
All these lame bitches talking shit, they faded. They all down below me like they singing seven nations. How are you the greatest when you rapping like you jaded? I don't need an image just to motherfucking make it. I'ma prove I'm wrong, all I speak is contradictions. Always winning battles with my motherfucking defense. You say why you wait? Well, I guess it depends. Can you follow me all the way to the deep end? Chillin' with the big boys, that's just where I'm headed. Any peasant trying to knock me down don't get me headed. I'm in love with rapping, you could say I'm obsessed. A little more than lost, like a motherfucking fetish. Laughing at me now, that's something you won't regret. Fortune teller looked inside a ball and she seen it. Jeez, he said it, veracity gon' say it. If I say some shit, then you know that I mean it.
It's that shit you want when you feeling right.